Meaning of internationalize.
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 Internationalize. The term internationalize generally refers to the process of extending activities or operations beyond national boundaries to encompass a broader international scope. It can be applied to a variety of industries, such as business, education, politics, and culture. Internationalization typically involves adapting to different cultural norms, languages, legal systems, and economic conditions in order to succeed in a global environment. The goal of internationalization is often to increase the reach and impact of an organization or product on a global scale, as well as to foster greater understanding and collaboration across different nations and cultures.